Hi. Now I'll take two examples where there are three statements. So the third question. So this is actually I have started exercise 1.6 because 1.5 is totally different. So that I'll be taking in the end. So these are connected exercises. So 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and then we are jumping to 1.6. 1.5 will be done later on. Now see the question. P and R whole bracket implies negation of P or P and R implies bracket P or negation of Q. So now again if you see there are three statements, therefore 8 rows, and if you count three statements plus operators are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 7. So if you see P, Q and R, so लिखना पड़ेगा P and R we have to write. Then here you need negation of Q. Then we need P or negation of Q. And finally we have an implies between these two. 4 implies 6. So first you have to write all this. And now we have to apply the rules. Now P and R. So in between this you have to do and. And में दोनों true होगा तो ये true. So true and true true. True and false false. True and true true. True and false false. False and true false. False and false false. False and true false. False and false false. Then negation of Q. False, false, true, true. False, false, true, true. Then P or negation of Q. So you have to see these two. और में कोई भी एक true रहेगा तो true. P or this. So true and false is true. True and false is true. True and true is true. True and true is true. False and false is false. False and false is false. False and true is true. False and true is true. And finally you have to find the implies between these two, 4 and 6 ka. So true implies true is true. False implies true is true. True implies true is true. False implies true is true. False implies false 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 is true. So everything is true. So and such a statement where all the entries in the last column are same or all true, then it is called a tautology. All are true, then it is called a tautology. Then one more example we are going to take P and Q bracket or negation of R. Again there are three statements. So ultimately there are 8 rows, and if you count the operators 1, 2, 3 and 3 statements, that means 6. So there are 6 columns. So P and Q will be the first column, negation of R will be the 5th column, and the final thing will be P and Q or negation of R. Now P and Q, and between this, and means दोनों true होगा तो true. So true, true, false, 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 false. Negation of R, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Then in between these you have to have a or में दोनों में से एक true रहेगा तो true. True, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. So such a statement where there is a mixture of true and false, that is called a contingency. All are true in the last column, then it is called tautology. It's a mixture of true and false, that means all are not true or all are not false, it is called contingency. And if all the entries in the last column are false, then it is called a contradiction. So all entries in the last column true, then it is called tautology, tautology. All are false, then it is called contradiction, but last column mein. And all the entries in the last column are neither all true nor all false, then it is called a contingency. Because there will be some where you have to identify the statement pattern, means you have to first draw the truth table and then you have to just decide whether it is a tautology, contradiction or contingency. That is it for today. Hope you understood whatever I have done. 3 types of sums I have covered, and I will give you homework. So please do it, and any doubts please ask me.